Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my dollhouse. Today I'm showing you how I made this folding screen using wood squares that I found on Temu. I've added links to all the supplies you'll need in the description. They are affiliate links, which means I'll earn a small commission if you decide to use them. This bag comes with 50 wood squares in several different designs. Each one measures about 1.5 inches. I started by playing around with different pattern arrangements until I found the combination I liked best. Then I used Minwax wood stain to stain the squares. To save time, I just dipped each square right into the can and set them aside to dry on a piece of cardstock. You'll see later how I reused that same cardstock after painting it. Once the squares were dry, I glued 3 of them together to form each panel front. I'm using this mini T-square to make sure everything stays perfectly straight. While the glue was drying, I painted the cardstock from earlier with a brown acrylic paint right over the wood stain to give it a deeper tone. Here are the 4 panels I made. You could also do 3 panels if you want a smaller screen. Next, I traced one of the panels onto the painted cardstock, then cut just inside the line to make a slightly smaller backing piece. I added tacky glue around the edges. Smoothed it with my finger so it wouldn't ooze out. And press the cardstock firmly into place. I repeated this for all 4 panels and let them dry completely. Here they are with the brown backings. For the hinges, I used short pieces of brown silk ribbon. I glued 2 ribbons between each panel, leaving a little space in between so the screen can fold both ways. For the legs, I chose this square design because of its open pattern. I made a few small cuts with my utility knife to get the shape I needed. Then I stained 4 of them and glued them to the bottom of the screen. And that's it. My miniature folding screen is finished. Be sure to check out next week's video to see how I finish the rest of this room. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.